Today I will discuss about the structure of virus, and the structure of virus is composed on the three components. Number first, it is composed of the three components. Number first one is envelope. Number second is capsid, and number third one is genetic material. So first of all, let me explain you that what is envelope. Envelope is basically a thin coverage upon capsid of a virus. Thin coverage upon capsid of virus, and it is made up of protein, and may be possible that it depends on the virus, that on which organism the virus is attacking. So it can be made up of envelope can be made up of lipid or carbohydrate also. Then it is optional. Envelope is optional. It may be or may not be possible. It may be or may not contain virus may or may not contain the envelope. May or may not contain envelope. It depends on the organism upon which virus is attacking. Then discuss about the capsid. So capsid is basically made up of capsomers. Made up of capsomers. Capsomers are the small units of protein, and capsid is a protein coat over the genetic material. Basically the structure of virus is like that it is, for example, it is a capsid, and over here these are the capsomers, and inside of the capsid the genetic material is present. Nucleic acid or genetic material, we guys can say that it is either DNA or RNA. It is optional. Then we'll discuss about the genetic material. Genetic material is can be DNA or RNA. It depend upon the virus. It depends upon the organism that to on whom the virus is attacking. For example, if virus is attacking over the plant, so the DNA would be double stranded. So there are two types of DNA and RNA. Number first one is double stranded RNA, and number second is single stranded RNA. And in DNA form, the same as double stranded DNA and the single stranded DNA. So let's suppose that it is a virus, and uh, this line is known as envelope of a virus, and these threads are the nucleic acid or the gene or the genetic material. These are the envelope protein. The units of the envelope, these are known as envelope protein, and this is the capsid, that is the protein coat over the nucleic acid. And in the capsid is made up of, as I told you, that capsid is made up of the capsomers, that are the small units made up of proteins. So these are the capsomers, and these threads are the viral genome or the genetic material of the virus. So the genetic material you guys are having is DNA or RNA. In RNA and DNA, we guys are getting the double stranded or single stranded forms. And let me tell you that the double-stranded DNA, the example of the double-stranded DNA we guys are having of the pox virus, and the double-stranded RNA example that we guys are having are the wound mosaic virus. WMV is the short form of this one virus. In this virus, we guys are having double-stranded RNA, and pox virus we are having double-stranded DNA. Then DNA is more stable than RNA, and the most we guys can say that the most stable genetic material among double-stranded or single-stranded is the double-stranded DNA is the most stable genetic material, and the most unstable genetic material is single-stranded RNA. That it can be present in any kind of virus easily. For example, we are having single-stranded RNA in the plants too, and double-stranded DNA we are having in pox virus. It is the stable, and this one is the unstable. What is the reason that those viruses that contains DNA as genetic material? Uh, those viruses that contain DNA as their genetic material are more stable, so it would be very easy to make their vaccine because DNA is a stable genetic material. So it is quite easy for the scientists to make the vaccine of that virus.